Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a quick update just on what's blooming in my Vanda collection here. Don't mind the guy that's edging over there. He's been edging all morning. But this gorgeous plant was given to me by my kids for Father's Day. There, let's see if I can get you in, is the tag. And of course there is the flower. Not quite as dark as the photo, but that seems to be the case with a lot of the plants anymore. But you can see there, it is still a massive, gorgeous, gorgeous plant. These guys are all kind of hanging out. This one is still going. Let me tell you, the fragrance on this is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love this plant. Flowers are already starting to go on it quickly. I was kind of surprised by that. I don't know if it's because of all the rain that we've had lately or what, but we are experiencing a rainy season down here in Florida. But it could be thrips too. I need to spray again for thrips. Just because life of the outdoor Vanda is you deal with all kinds of pests and bugs, so I might need to do that too. But otherwise, you know, these have been going for a couple of weeks now. Ants are all over them, as you can see. There's ants everywhere on these flowers. This one also is doing wonderfully. I love this hybrid. Let's see if I can find the tag. Tag is buried in the roots, but just another big hybrid Vanda. It does have a tag. I just don't want to go looking for it. Beautiful, beautiful color. And then coming along here, this guy is still in bloom here. This is a little tiny This is a Denisoniana times Mimi Palmer. Still going strong, as is this one. Love this plant. My Pure's Wax has decided that all of its flowers are now done, so I'll toss that one off to the side. This gorgeous one, this is a Ben's Fragrance, I do believe. Still going. Beautiful scent on that one. Absolutely love it. This guy's getting ready to put on a show here. He's got two spikes, one there and obviously one here. This is that one, Sanderiana Cross. So really excited to see that guy bloom. I always turn the tag over so it doesn't fade out. These two still, my old faithfuls, still going. Those crazy plants. This guy finally opened up. I've got 3 spikes on him. But this one smells absolutely amazing. It smells like vanilla ice cream. Absolutely love this one. Tags on the back side of the plant. I don't feel like digging for it, but it is a Neophoenicia type cross. Neophoenicia, Neofalcata, however you want to call it. I thought I'd broke this one because I accidentally pulled out the middle of the plant and it surprised me by putting out a new leaf. So all is not lost on that one. At least the new leaf is coming through nice and strong. So I'm really excited about that. The Mimi Palmer Robert's Delight is on its way out. You can see here that one is starting to go. This gorgeous one, this is Pat's Delight, still going strong. Absolutely love the flowers on this guy. Super beautiful, nice and big. My other Ben's Fragrance is getting ready to bloom. This is from Benjong Orchids. And this guy opened up and he is so pretty. I call it a guy, I don't know why, but it's pink. It's probably a female. You know how that goes. I guess I really shouldn't stereotype, but anyhow, you know what I mean. This gorgeous plant, there we go. This plant has opened up. They got another spike coming right there. Really excited to see both of those open up. And my Pachara Delight is still going strong. Crazy how this plant has lasted longer on the flowers than most of the other ones that are blooming. This one just stopped blooming and we got another spike coming already right there. Other than that, guys, that is about all that's going on in here. I think, yeah, there we go. This guy, this is my Tango Fire. He's got a big old spike, and this blasted thing got another spike and aborted it again. This thing, he never, ever, ever keeps his spikes. Kind of driving me nuts. Gets the same care as all the orchids around it, and they're blooming just fine, but he doesn't. Go figure. Anyhow, on this side, I've got a lot of cleaning up to do. As you can see, I've got piles of plants here and there. I'll get to that in a second. We got some 1998 Cattleyas at Home Depot. I was really excited about that, but I did want to show you guys some of these before they stopped blooming, and especially these ones down here, because oh my goodness, they're absolutely gorgeous. I love these two. That one and that one are so beautiful, so pretty. But that is what's going on right now in my Vanda collection, guys. I do hope to, you know, be able to get rid of whatever is causing this stuff. I'm 99% sure it is thrips, but I spray for thrips on the regular, so I don't know why it's all of a sudden kind of hitting it again, but who knows. Like I said, joys of growing orchids outdoors in Florida. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on my next video.